Transferring credit from Airtel to Airtel is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Before you can transfer credit, you need to activate the Airtel ME2U service on your phone. This is usually done by dialing a specific code provided by Airtel. The activation code might vary depending on your country. For example, in some countries, you might dial *166# and then follow the prompts. Once Airtel ME2U is activated, you can transfer credit by dialing the transfer code. This is usually something like 166* amount recipient's number #. For example, if you want to transfer 100 units of credit to a number 120, you would dial *166*100*120# and then press the call button. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the transfer. After confirming the transfer, you will receive a notification confirming the success of the transfer. The recipient will also receive a notification informing them of the credit transfer.